Hey there, tech heads. Welcome back to another video. Oh, man, it's been a while since I said that. But yeah, as you can see, there is no microphone in front of my face. There is no condenser mic in front of my face. And that is because I'm not in the studio. So I'm sure you're wondering, where is the audio for this video coming from? And the answer is this. So this is the Deity Pocket Wireless Microphone Set, and that is what we're going to be taking a look at in today's video. Just how good is it, and should you buy this? All right, so let's start off with what comes in the bundle. You get this really nice hard carrying case for all your microphone equipment. Inside of that, you have a small dead cat for the microphone's receiver. You also have a USB-C to USB-A OTG adapter in case you need to update the firmware of the microphone or something like that. Then you have two yellow cables, one of which is USB-C to USB-C in case you need to connect the receiver to your phone, and the next is USB-C to 3.5 millimeters or to a TRRC cable in case you need to connect it to your camera. The next cable that you have here, unfortunately, is not following the color scheme of the company, as it's just a plain black USB-C charging cable for the receiver and the transmitter. Something else that's included that I think is really great is the fact that there is also a lapel mic added to this microphone set. So in case you don't want to wear the transmitter on your shirt like I am, you can attach it to your backpack strap or maybe your belt, and then you can connect the lapel mic directly to the transmitter and then clip that to your shirt. Let me show you how that sounds. So as you can see now, I've switched to using the lapel mic or the lavalier mic, and it is still connected to the transmitter here. And one thing I really like is the fact that the microphone doesn't just, pop into the transmitter, but it also screws in so you don't accidentally yank it out.
That's what she said.
Setting the microphone up is pretty easy, as all you have to do is literally just turn both the receiver and the transmitter on. When you turn the receiver on, there's a tiny screen that shows you the Deity logo, and then it shows you an interface. If you do not turn both devices on at the same time, it's fine, as they will automatically link. If they're not automatically linked for some reason, there is a link button located on the side of the receiver, which you can press in order to pair them together or to link them together once again. Beside the link button, we also have a decibel button. Now, this just serves to adjust the level of gain or the level of volume going into the transmitter. So if you want to increase your gain, you can do that with the receiver. Unfortunately, if the receiver is far away from you, you're going to need someone else to do that for you, or you will need to get up and adjust your volume manually. There's also some sort of hard limiter when it comes to the receiver, as even if you increase the decibels to the maximum, it has a way of ensuring that your voice never peaks or never spikes. On the screen of the receiver, you can also see things such as the signal strength between the transmitter and the receiver, the battery life of the transmitter and receiver, and the level of the gain. Another thing to note is if you connect the receiver to a smartphone, it will draw power from the smartphone in order to charge the receiver. And perhaps you don't want to attach the transmitter to your shirt or belt or bag strap or whatever. You can also attach it to your camera or to your tripod via a hot shoe or a cold shoe mount, if you want to place the transmitter a little further away from you and use the lavalier mic. But yeah, let me know what the sound quality of the lapel mic as opposed to just having the transmitter on my chest sounds like. Which sounds better? And I apologize for all the noise you're probably hearing. There's some construction going on outside. You know what? Let's actually take this outside and see just how well this microphone set cancels out external noises. Okay, so this is how the Pocket Wireless set sounds when I'm outside. There are a couple of guests in the environment, so you're gonna get to see some of them really soon. Yes, that is one of them. In fact, let's go see if he has something to say. Excuse me, sir. Do you have something to say? Would you like to tell us something? How about you, sir? Would you like to tell us something? Why are you running away? Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you. I am kind of scared of geese, so let's not bother the goose. Okay? Okay. So, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to be walking all the way over there in order to test just how far I can get without the audio starting to cut out. So yeah, I'm not someone who knows measurements very well, but as you can see, I'm getting pretty far, and I'm going further and further and further, and hopefully these animals do not, yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Hopefully these animals do not attack me. But yeah, I'm this far, and you can probably still hear me, hopefully. What? Hey, respect yourself. Respect yourself. This particular hen has a problem with me. I don't know why. And she seems to be chasing me. No, don't go inside. You're not allowed inside the house. But yeah, let me get my things and go back upstairs before the animals attack me. You see what I'm talking about? Stop chasing me. Okay. All right. So I'm back. I'm done being terrorized by farm animals, and if you enjoyed all those little antics, then let me know in the comment section below. Now you have an idea of what the Deity Pocket wireless microphone system sounds like, what the range is, and just how well it does with external noises. In my opinion, this is actually pretty great value for money. I think the only other microphone set that would compare would be the Rode Wireless Go microphone set. And if you would like a review of that, then let me know in the comment section below so I can find a way to get my hands on that microphone set as well. Now I'm gonna leave you with a little bit of a comparison with my USB condenser microphones. Of course, those are in closer proximity to my mouth, so they might sound better, but let's just see how well this microphone holds up against those ones. The best sound quality comes from directly in front of the microphone, as if you speak anywhere else around it, your voice will not sound very amplified at all. And as expected, the closer you get to the microphone, the better your voice sounds, or the crisper your voice sounds. All the audio you've heard in this video has been coming straight from the Fifine Ampli-Gain without any sort of tempering or noise reduction or additional gain or whatnot. I'm not touching this audio in any way whatsoever. And if after recording I realize there were some problems, I will just leave some graphics below to show you what I did to the audio, if I did decide to do anything. Interesting. So in your opinion, Deity Pocket wireless microphones set, yay or nay, to buy them or not? Let me know in the comment section below, the like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. My name is Johannes, this is TechPhD, and I'll see you in one of the videos showing on the screen, right around everywhere here. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.